Hey there, Snail here. These little guys like to run every time we open the front door. So we have this gate here, which is pretty cool, but it's super floppy and it comes off the wall and stuff. So what I'm thinking is I want to do two like round clasps that kind of make it so it holds on and I can spin it and get it out of the way. If that makes sense. So let's go in Fusion 360, print something. PLA will get it done. I like it. Go right into Fusion 360 mine, but we gotta take some measurements first. All right, let's see. Got about 20 millimeters, 40. So we should go 60-ish. And now would be a good time to ask for you to subscribe and like the video. Let's get into some music. Okay, time to test it. Let's call Cujo.